Hey friends, if your Windows key is not working on your computer, then please watch this video. Now obviously if it is a physical issue with the keyboard, this can be isolated by trying that keyboard on a different system. If it is a laptop keyboard, then that would be very difficult. But what other reasons could it be? Well, it could be a deferred update, so right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates. Next would be missing and corrupt files on the system which is causing this issue. So perform an SFC scan, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Okay. The next solution will be to reset your computer. But before that, I will suggest one thing. You can try a clean boot on your computer because at times there are a lot of third-party software products which will prevent this functionality. So here's what you can do. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and then go to system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, then click on disable all, apply, OK, and then select the option to restart your computer. And if this doesn't work either, then right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down and then select recovery and then select reset PC and then select remove everything. Wait for it and then finally select the option for cloud download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.